Hi Superachiever, students, parents and individuals. How are you all? Fantastic, excellent. आज का जो वीडियो है उन लोगों के लिए जो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि एक यूनिफॉर्म वेयर करें, पहने एंड सल्यूट द ट्राई कलर एंड सर्व द नेशन प्राउडली by joining Armed Forces, Indian Defense through National Defense Academy, NDA. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स सोच रहे हैं एंड बात भी करते हैं कि मेरे को एनडीए ज्वाइन करना है, लेकिन एक्शन क्या लेना है वो उनको पता नहीं है। तो आज हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसेस देखेंगे। एनडीए क्या है, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, और जो एग्जाम्स है बोथ रिटन एंड दी वाइवास और फिजिकल एग्जाम्स क्या है, एंड लास्ट में देखेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस एनडीए एग्जाम। सो प्लीज स्टे विथ मी, मेरे साथ बने रहिए 10 से 12 मिनट एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर माय वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन, बिकॉज मैं एक सुपर अचीवर्स का एक कम्युनिटी बना रहा हूं ग्लोबली एंड इट इज पॉसिबल थ्रू यू ओनली। द मोर एंड मोर यू शेयर, I can reach millions of people who will become super achievers and we will build a community of super achievers, and this is my big dream. Please help me. So let's come back to our topic. Dream NDA. How to get into NDA. So what is NDA? National Defense Academy. And what they do? It is an institute, national level premium institute in Pune, Khadak Basla, where they train Indian boys and girls, young Indian boys and girls to become, what do you say, future leading armed forces officers to serve the nation. And they just transform them physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually, so that really they become future leaders in our armed forces. And you can also join this premium institute if you are passed or appearing class 12, and keep it in mind, if you have a right mindset, right preparation and determination, yes, I can crack NDA. This is the first step. Let's go to the second step. What is the eligibility criteria? First, you should be a Indian citizen or those who are migrated from Pakistan, Nepal or Bhutan. And your age should be between 16 half to 19 half. That means if you are in class 11, see, the preparation should start from class 11, because when you enter class 12, you are appearing for the class, you can appear for this NDA. Age is 16 half to 19 half and you are past class 12 education qualification and appearing, both if you are appearing and passed. And remember, if you want to join not army, navy and air force, you must have science stream. You must be from science stream because they need physics and mathematics. So if you are in class 11 and appearing for not preparing for this exam and appearing in class 12, I think maximum 3 attempts you may get till you are 19 and half, or 2 attempts minimum you get 2 attempts. Next आते हैं थर्ड स्टेप. What is your written exams? Written exams का पैटर्न क्या है? There are 2 papers. First paper is mathematics and 300 marks. 300 marks with 120 questions. That means you have 2.5 marks per questions. And time is 2.5 hours. This is the first paper. Second paper is GAT, General Ability Test, where English have 50 questions having 200 marks and 150 questions general awareness that consist of physics, chemistry, biology, history, civics, everything. Clear now? And there are negative marking also. In mathematics, for one wrong answer, the negative marking is 0.83 per wrong answer. and GAT, General Ability Test, there is 1.33 marks for per wrong answer. So the qualifying marks ranges between 350 to 380 marks. If you go to the previous cutoff mark अगर देखेंगे तो 350 to 380 marks. ये थोड़ा कठिन लगता है, लेकिन अगर as I told you प्रॉपर प्रिपरेशन एंड डिटर्मिनेशन है, आप क्रैक कर सकते हैं, ला सकते हैं 350 to 380 marks. How? In mathematics, out of 300 marks, you must score 200. And out of 400 marks in general ability test, you must bring 200 marks. That means total is 400. So it is coming between 350 to 380 marks. Clear about this? Then next चाहते हैं कि SSB interview. Once you are qualified with cutoff marks, you are in the range of cutoff marks, then there will be Service Selection Board SSB interview. So congratulations, advance congratulations. So it is actually SSB interview is little bit difficult, but if you are well prepared, you can also crack this SSB interview. They test about your leadership, confidence, teamwork, discipline, then emotional strength, and OIR, officers intelligence rating. Lot of things happens. You are tested psychologically, then physically, group tasks, team tasks. Everything is actually done in this SSB interview. And it is not about actually how you look smart, SSB interview, how you look smart, but you must be authentic, aware, and emotionally strong. Then only I think you can crack this SSB interview. Lot of preparation is needed. So if you are thinking and you are in class 11, so start preparing from class 11 itself. Next आते हैं 1C. If you are passing this SSB interview, then last is your medical test. I think you will pass in that medical fitness test. It is tested about your eyes, your physical fitness, height, weight, everything. The critical part is, I think, if you are cracking the written test, the SSB interview, lot of preparation is required, and lot of institutes are there, training institutes are there. They are providing this SSB interview trainings to institutes. Now let us come back. How you should prepare? How you should prepare? See, written examination. You are preparing. You are in class 11. Actually, what else covered in this mathematics? You know, mathematics. Mathematics is algebra. It is around 40 marks. And it is your determinants, statistics, analytical geometry, differential and integrations. Trigonometry is also 20 marks. Algebra 40 marks, trigonometry 20 marks, determinants 10 marks. Then it is your analytical geometry 20 marks, statistics 10 marks, differentiation and integration 20 marks. Those things you have to practice. From where a lot of books are available, you have to focus NCERT book. Please solve all the problems from NCERT book and practice from R.D. Sharma books. R.D. Sharma book, you know, that is available. Then English, your reading and vocabulary and general knowledge that covers everything. Physics, chemistry, bio, history, civics and geography. For that, books, it is recommended that Pathfinder, there is a book publisher where the NDA books get produced. Then Arihant NDA previous year questions, EIQs. Please solve at least 5 years previous year's questions and take mock tests. Yourself you can prepare and take the mock test, and online tests are also available. Right? And how to prepare also in other sources. Watch YouTube videos, how the students are cracking, their actually approach, how they are preparing, those things also see in these YouTube videos. And again, I'm telling you, if you have a right mindset, right preparation and determination, you can crack it. Right? This is all about your NDA exams and its preparation. I think it is enough. If you need more information, I can provide you, or any more information about the training institutes which are available in India, those who train for this NDA preparation, that also I can tell you. That's all for this video. Today I am stopping here, and full of power.